Hi, my name is Kim, and I'm a production manager here at Brooklinen, which means I work really closely with our design and product development teams and also our suppliers who create our beautiful product.
And I'm Ava. I work on the quality team here at Brooklinen, which means I help manage product testing and product care. Today, we're going to talk to you about how to care for your organic Brooklinen towels and sheets, because when you take good care of them, they can take better care of you.
The organic collection here at Brooklinen is an eco-friendly choice in both bedding and bath, and we've been working really closely with our suppliers to make sure that this is safe for you and the environment.
One way that we help ensure that this product is safe for you and the environment is through our GOTS certification. That stands for Global Organic Textile Standard. And what it means is that from the cotton field all the way to the warehouse, we've ensured and certified that the cotton that we're using in these products is 100% organic, which is great for anybody looking for peace of mind about the eco-friendliness and sustainability of the products in their home. So you can launder your Brooklinen organic products the same exact way you would launder any other product from Brooklinen. These can both be thrown in the washing machine on cold. We would recommend using our detergent. And then as far as drying goes, these can be tumble dried on low at home. We would really recommend using some dryer balls, especially for towels, as these can really help to reduce dry time.
As with all of our other bedding and bath products, we recommend washing these at least once a week and also following the care instructions. The care instructions are super easy and they shouldn't deviate much from your other Brooklinen products. Thank you so much for joining, and we really hope that you enjoy your organic sheets and towels as much as we do.
If you want to learn more about Brooklinen organic sheets and towels, head on over to our site. Thanks. Bye.